Hello friends, welcome to Programmer's Cave. Today I'm going to show you how to download the new Laravel Jetstream in just 5 minutes. So let's start. So to download Laravel Jetstream, first you need to open a directory in your terminal. So here I am opening. I opened the terminal. So now I have to just copy this command, write this command Laravel new. So first, to install Laravel Jetstream, you must have a version greater than latest version. So to find the latest version, you have to write Laravel V. So yeah, here I have the latest version 404, so I can use it. If you don't have, you have to upgrade it. You can see a, tutorial on that. That's an easy thing. Now to create a new project, you will go to Laravel New. You will type the project name, for example, getting started, and you will use double hyphen jet to use Jetstream with the Laravel. Now it will pop up two options. Either you have to use the Livewire or Inertia. So the Laravel Jetstream uses two stack. Livewire is with the Blade templating system of CSS of Laravel, and Inertia is based on Vue, that is Vue.js. So for now, this tutorial purpose, we will use Livewire. We click yes. Do you want team? So team is a feature in Laravel Jetstream, so we will use that too. If you don't want, you can just simply say no. I will type yes. So now it will say take some time to download and install everything. mm, okay, so now after the now our files are installed properly, so we will change the directory to started. What was the name of starting getting started? mm, I know it's a very weird name, but I just made it up right now. So now we have to do some more installations. So since when you go see the files of the Laravel, you will see that uh, there are package JSON files, package.json files, and there are some dependencies. So we need to download that too. So for that, we will be doing npm install, and it will download all the install all the dependencies of XCS, Tailwind CSS that Laravel uses, and we have to wait. Okay, so the packages are installed. Now we have to just do the npm run dev, that's development, and just doing some configurations. It will take just a couple of seconds. Okay, so all the packages are installed. We have everything here. So now the Laravel Jetstream is installed fully. Now just one last thing to do is to set up the database. So now to set up the database, so by default Laravel users will assume that you have database naming as the same name of your project. So for in our case, the example is getting started, the name of the project. So the database name is getting started. But for example, we might have some other database. So let's start with XAMPP and my PHP I will create a new database over here. You just have to create a database. For example, I'm say uh, programmer programmers programmer programmer okay, programmers. Let's see. So the programmer C is created, programmer skill is created. Now I will just write it over here, programmers q. So all the installation, all the settings you have to do here, just save it. And now the last thing you have to do is you have to migrate things. So php artisan migrate. Oh, there is some error. Figure. Okay, so there is a typo by me. The spelling is wrong. So, but yeah, I will just copy it and paste it over here. Cool. So we have the right thing now. It should work correctly. PHP artisan. So all the files are here. All the files are there. So now when I refresh the page, you will see all the files. Now just quickly I will run PHP artisan serve, and that's it. Your Laravel Jetstream is started. Now you just have to go to new tab and run it. Yes. So yeah, we are done. So now this is the Laravel landing page. So our Laravel Jetstream is installed. Now you can see there is a register page. We will register. So register. So yes, we have successfully downloaded the and installed the Laravel Jetstream. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do subscribe to my channel for further videos. I am coming up with lots of new videos on Laravel Jetstream and Laravel 8 about the features and everything. So if you have any suggestion, please do comment in the comment box below. Give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.